Is it time to buy or sell Barrick mining stock? In this video, we will explore Barrick mining in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 23rd of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 4th of August, 2025, our system has classified Barrick mining as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.87. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 55.73% since we initially recommended purchasing Barrick mining 36 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.55% per day since it was labeled as hold accumulate. The stock is positioned in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $35.55 would first indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 49% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 20.7% and 53.32%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 46.25%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 90.7% to negative 45.18% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.43 and $18.94. Our latest daily update for Barrick Mining includes the headline, Barrick Mining Corporation stock price down 2.32% on Tuesday. The Barrick Mining Corporation stock price fell by 2.32% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 23rd of September, 2025, decreasing from $35.36 to $34.54. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.13%, ranging from a day low of $34.34 to a day high of $36.10. The price has increased in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 18.45% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the volume declined on the last day alongside the stock, which is generally a positive indicator since volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 13 million shares, with a total of 35 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.22 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $47.50, while the lowest was $17.41. Currently, the price stands at 27.28%, or $12.96, below the 52-week high, and 52.60%, or $38.33, below the all-time high recorded on the 18th of October, 2017, when the price reached $72.87. Barrick is making headlines this week as gold prices rise and the company refines its asset mix. Updated studies confirm that the 4 Mile discovery in Nevada is one of the most significant finds of the century, a development that greatly enhances Barrick's long-term resource and production profile. Simultaneously, Barrick has agreed to sell the Hemlo mine for up to $1.09 billion, a strategic move that management believes will free up cash to concentrate on top-tier gold and copper assets. Market analysts are labeling Barrick as both a strong momentum and value stock, as improving cash flow, project advancements, and rising gold prices capture investor interest. In the short term, expect the stock to respond positively. The proceeds from the Hemlo sale and a favorable gold price can support earnings revisions, stock buybacks, or increased dividends, driving near-term inflows and multiple expansion. However, be cautious of volatility. Swings in commodity prices and deal timing can lead to rapid profit-taking. Over the long term, the size of 4 Mile and a clearer focus on top-tier projects could positively re-rate Barrick if execution remains strong, potentially delivering sustainable growth in free cash flow and a higher valuation, provided gold prices stay supportive and project execution is on track. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 22nd of September 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned B a market perform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, the National Bank rated B as outperform with an upgrade suggestion. Also, on that day, CIBC gave B a rating of outperform along with a hold recommendation. Furthermore, RBC Capital rated B as outperform and suggested a hold. On Friday, the 19th of September 2025, UBS provided a buy rating for B with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Barrick mining stock a general buy rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Barrick Mining. The Barrick Mining Corporation stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at the price levies of $31.47 and $26.94. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been presented, which may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, September 22, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 2.32%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume decreased along with the price on the last trading day, which diminishes the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 24 days ago. The short-term moving average generated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also presented a buy signal 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 57 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 38 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 8 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Barrick Mining. Barrick Mining Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $32.99. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. And the considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes it as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.76, which equates to a change of 5.13%. In the past week, the daily average volatility has been 5.76%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Barrick Mining, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, commonly observed in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates suggest earnings of 57 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Barrick Mining. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Barrick Mining is at $35.36. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Barrick Mining encounters its first support level at $32.99. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Barrick Mining from multiple analyst sources indicates a buy recommendation. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction was on January 27, 2025, when Adam J. Katz sold 641,163 shares of common stock, which has a par value of 1 cent per share. Our recommended stop loss is set at $33.10, reflecting a decline of 4.16%. This stock experiences significant daily movements, contributing to a higher risk profile. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 86, further elevating the risk considerably. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Barrick Mining stock a good buy? Barrick Mining Corporation presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to deem it a buy candidate at this time. Instead, at the current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting to hold or accumulate while awaiting further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 24th of September, we anticipate that Barrick Mining will open higher by approximately 453/100ths of a dollar, starting at $34.99. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.